I'm now bringing in someone who's tried both sides, criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor David Gelman. David, thank you for hopping on. It's always good to do TV with you. Jay-Z came out swinging in self-defense. What did you make of how fast and how forceful his response was to this civil suit?
Markie, Jay-Z's got 99 problems, and this is now another one. Look, he had no other choice but to come out swinging. And if I was him, I would have done the same thing. And his attorneys advised him to do this. The reason this is a very interesting matter is you're talking about something that happened about 24 years ago. I'm very skeptical about this. I'm not saying that this didn't happen, but I'm skeptical. Reading the complaint last night, I just see there's so many red flags here that Jay-Z's defense attorneys are going to be all over this. And then here's another part. Jay-Z, anonymously at least, is the individual who sued Tony Busby, the lawyer representing this woman. So if that's the case, why did then Tony Busby amend his complaint from October to now include Jay-Z? I don't want to say it's extortion or anything like that. However, all this is very weird. And, you know, this is, again, part of the whole Shawn P. Diddy fiasco, if you will. So it's going to be very interesting. And then this probably isn't the only individual who's going to have another civil suit against him.
Yeah, speaking of unnamed, because Jay-Z went unnamed in that initial October filing, also in this suit it says Celebrity B, right? An unnamed female watched. What do you make of that and who that could be?
Look, I can't say who it is or not, but why aren't they involved now in this new amended complaint? Why didn't Tony Busby put that in there? Are they trying to settle this outside of the press? Potentially. Look, Busby represents a lot of women, and he has been accused multiple times of extortion. I don't know any facts. I don't want to speculate about anything, but it's a very dangerous path that he's going by right now with these things. And Jay-Z, he's an individual who is very powerful, as we're well aware, and has a lot of money where he can fight this.
Yeah. Before I get to Daniel Penny real quick, because that's another case you and I have been talking at length about, a lot of fans are wondering what's next. And is this just the tip of the iceberg in this lawsuit?
Oh, 100%. I mean, look, you're talking about celebrities who have hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars. When people see money, they see, you know what, we can go make a quick buck. Again, not saying this is that situation, because this certainly may have happened, but you know, these are very these claims are out in New York, and New York is the only state really that has a statute where you can sue from years ago when statute of limitations in other states would have already ran. So this is the first of many.
Yeah, we'll follow this one closely. Before I let you go, I got to get your take on today and the Daniel Penny case, what we're about to see. The jury now considering a lesser count of criminally negligent homicide after the judge dismissed second-degree manslaughter. David, what does that tell you about the state's case and also kind of the mindset of that jury right now?
It's weak. It's very weak. I've never seen a prosecutor dismiss a case or a count in trial after the jury says they can't agree to it. All that means to me is that they are pissed right now, Markie. They have been deliberating for over 3-4 days, and then the judge sent them back because they aren't able to come to a resolution. Now they have to have now they're just doing a lesser count. They're probably thinking this is a waste of time and that the DA is making a big spectacle of this. I would anticipate a very quick decision today, Mark. Okay. Very, very quick, and I think it's going to be beneficial for Daniel Penny.
Yeah, seeing if it drops in the next day or two. We'll keep everybody posted. David Gelman, always appreciate having you, and hope you had a great weekend.
Thanks, you too. Great to see you.
Talk to you again. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.